This 2026 Forest River Salem Hemisphere 271RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 34 feet 7 inches in length and features Sleep's 9, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, TV antenna, TV, slide-out, refrigerator, leveling jacks, water heater, awning, air conditioning, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Salem Hemisphere 271RL is 7,738 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.